G'day, Mike here, Ocean Protect. Today we're at sunny Menai in Sydney, having a look at a StormFilter system installed almost 20 years ago. One of the first ones installed in the Southern Hemisphere. The system flows into the beautiful Georges River behind me, catchment there. We've set up the gas meter, we'll set up the rest of our confined space gear, and we'll go down and have a look. So we've set our confined space gear up right behind us. We've dropped down inside the chamber. And as you can see, this is an old style corrugated steel pipe storm filter. Still the same cartridge installed more than 20 years ago. So you can see the robustness of the technology. However, it is in need of maintenance. You can see the sediment there all the way up to the base of the hood. If we swing around, have a look at one of the filters, you can see that nice white fluffy media that we typically have inside the filters is now completely caked and occluded. So what do? We need a service of this system to bring it back online to stop those pollutants going out in the beautiful Georges River and out into our ocean. So the StormFilter technology certainly has withstood the test of time. It's fantastic technology that's demonstrated really good longevity. So I suppose, how do you innovate in this space? We've been treating different types of pollutants, orthophosphates and also ammonium for years now with the StormFilter technology, and we've innovated by changing the media blends inside the best cartridge filtration technology. So what can we do now with StormFilter? Well, not only can we remove those pollutants, we also for the first time have the ability to remove nitrates within the StormFilter. Also, by changing out the blend even more, we can remove PFAS from stormwater as well, the first in a passive stormwater filtration system. Look, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, go to oceanprotect.com.au.